if you are seeking to edit your videos for YouTube, for Instagram, for TikTok like a pro using your mobile phone, then this tutorial is for you. What you just saw is the cosmic text effect on CapCut, and in today's tutorial that is what we're going to learn. So as always, you would want to open your CapCut app, and when you're here, make sure you select new project and go to stock videos. That is what is in the middle at the very top. Stock videos, make sure you select a black background. So I'm selecting the second from the top, and once you're here, tap on text, go to add text and type in whatever you want to add the cosmic effect to. So I'm going to type my channel's name, so virtual giant. All right, so once you're done, tap on edit. That is the first from the left, the tabs underneath the dialog box. So edit, make sure you tap the F sign beside the capital A and the small a, so that is for font F, and I'm going to select the font type that I want. You can play with a lot of fonts. There are countless, more than 50 font types, but I think that this one appeals to me most, the one named Gumball, so I'm going to go with that one, Gumball. So you see that it has affected the text that I typed. Okay, so what you do next is to check out and make sure you drag or widen the text to the desirable size that you want. So I think I'll drag it a little bit more and center it like this. This sits well with me, so that is how I am going to do it. Okay, so once you have finished doing this one, make sure you take a screenshot. By the way, before you take the screenshot, make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9. So select 16:9. You see there are lots of ratios there, so select 16:9, check out and take a screenshot. Since I'm using my mobile phone, I'm going to give a command to Siri to do the action. So okay, so you edit the screenshot, take away every other thing that is showing except for the text and the black screen surrounding it. So done. Go back to CapCut, go to a new project and bring in the screenshots that you took. So there we go, add. Yes, so we have brought back our text. The next thing to do is to tap on the text on the timeline, not on the screen. So here you tap on it, and then on the tabs given below, split, animation style, select style, and make sure you find what is known as cosmic effects. So you can swipe left, or you can quickly go straight to the headings there if you actually know where it is. So I'm swiping left just to find cosmic effect, that is under AI painting. So tap on cosmic effect, wait for it to generate. Yes, so it has already generated everything. So check, and you can see that it is not showing properly. That is because the text is too short. So what you have to do is to tap and drag till you see that everything has become much clearer. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. Hit play, and there we have it. That is our cosmic effect right there. So the next thing you do is to add your sound effect to it. So you go to audio, tap on sounds, and use whatever sound that you wish to use, but I have already downloaded my copyright free sound, so I'm going to use that one. Okay, so I'll drag to the end of the video and cut the sound short. Okay, so I don't need the rest of the sound, so let's hear it again. All right, so what I'll do next, it is as a result of preference, so I will choose to fade in and out of the sound, so I'll set it to 1 second, go to the same, and that is it. So if you like my content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share, like, comment, and let everyone know about this beautiful thing that we're doing here. I'm glad that you've learned a thing or two today. See you in the next one. Bye.